Hey there, this is Tyler with WP Theme Picker, and we're going to do our quick 5-minute install. So hopefully you found a theme you like. If not, go back and check for more. But the main thing you got to do is get your site up and running. I've built sites like this, and if you're a small business, if you're just looking to get a blog off the ground, if you're no matter what you're looking to do, I've launched a site like this to get 7 figures in like 2-3 years. And the first thing you got to do is just get this off the ground. So what you're going to do is you're going to click this link down here, and you're going to sign up here for WP Engine. Now, why WP Engine? My wife, she's a web designer. She just launched a site last week, and they went with a cheap host. And this is your business. This is your store, right? And when you buy real estate, you want to buy real estate in a nice place, right? You don't want shady neighbors. And if you go get a $2 a month host, which you can do, like you can click this link right here and get Bluehost, and they're pretty good. And it's like $4 a month. But if you go here, you're actually gonna have a better experience and a better site. So the first thing you need to do in this 5-minute install, sign up for this. After you sign up, you're gonna see a screen like this, and the reason you're signing up for WP Engine is they give you a staging site so that we can put your theme on your site. They give you better emails. If you have a form, like let's say you want leads, and you want those leads to get emails, they actually give you email sending so that you can send leads to those emails. They give you all sorts of stuff. Your site won't go down in 2 weeks after you have it up. So you're going to go here and fill out your form. After you sign up, what you're going to do is you're going to put an install name, and they'll get you all up and running, and you'll have a screen like this. Now this looks like a lot of stuff to do. It's really not that bad at all. All you're going to do is head over to the URL they give you. And I use OnePass here, log in. And what we're going to do is after you've signed up, you're going to come here and you're going to go to Appearances Themes, right? So it's /WP Admin, Appearances Themes. And here is where we're going to install the theme. Now, I already have one here installed. You're going to, on this page, I even give you the link right here, you're going to click Download, and then you're going to download it. And you'll see I download it right there. Come back, Add New, and I'm going to upload it. And there we go. And like I said, 5-minute install and your theme is up and going. So I'm going to go back, make some more blogs about how to get more leads, get things going with your WordPress site. But that is the quick and dirty of a 5-minute install. You really want to click the link below, sign up for WP Engine. What it will let you do is it will actually let you have a good website online, right? This is your store. Most leads will leave your website. If you're in a small business, if you're a blog, all you're interested in are leads, right? You're not interested in traffic. Traffic's useless. You need to convert that traffic, and the only way you convert that website is that traffic on your site is with a fast loading site. So I really highly recommend signing up with that. And it's super easy with this thing I set up for you right here. You just click download, go upload it, and you're good to go. So that's step one. If you are wondering what to do next, go check out the blog on WP Theme Picker. We have all sorts of articles about getting traffic from Google, getting traffic from ads, getting traffic wherever you want it, optimizing your theme for success. But that's the quick and dirty of getting it set up right there. I highly recommend WP Engine. Check them out, sign up, and I'll see you in the next video.